All right, just doing a bit of service here to a little Generac GP8000E generator. So generators are one of the pieces of equipment that most people, they always want to make sure that it's working perfectly when they need it, but it's also one of the pieces of equipment that sort of gets set aside most often, and the maintenance is maybe not taken care of as much as it really should be. So one item that you want to make sure that you're having completed every once in a while, I think on these Generac generators, it's something like every 50 hours of use, is you want to have your valve lash adjusted. So the valve lash or valve clearance is just the clearance between the rocker arm and the top of the valve. It's that little thing that's spinning. That's a different story, but anyway, that's that little clearance in there. So this is the exhaust valve, and it's out of spec a bit. It's not horrible. This generator with 135 hours on it, this is what the intake valve looks like. And you can see that's way out of spec, and as I go like this, you'll hear how loud that is, and you'll say to yourself, I wonder what that sounds like at a few thousand RPM. So it's something that you'll notice with sound as well. So just a little tip. You want to keep your generator working right, not using as much fuel, so being fuel efficient and not noisy and not having other performance problems like popping out the exhaust or starting hard, and keep your valve maintenance up to date. Have a great day.